Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce processes on your Windows 11. Okay, reducing background processes in Windows 11 can speed up your computer, save memory and improve battery life. Here is a step-by-step guide. Okay, and follow the guide and reduce the processes in your PC. First of all, what you have to do is you have to disable startup apps. Okay, press Ctrl Shift Escape from the keyboard to open the task manager. Then after, you can find out there the startup apps tab. Click here 3 dots and you can find out the startup apps. Click that. If you do not need like Xbox, Terminal, Secure the Health, okay, and OneDrive, if you do not need, then right click and disable. Okay, like this you can disable. If you do not need Terminal, then you can disable like this. Okay, this is the first step. Now second step is turn off the background apps. Press Windows plus I from the keyboard to open the setting. Then after, go to the installed apps, okay, or go to apps here and scroll down, and here is the install apps. Click that and you can find out the camera. If you do not need camera, okay, in backgrounds running, then click here and click advanced option, scroll down, background app permission. Okay, here you have to choose never. Okay, and so you can turn off the background app permission. Suppose I do not need the background app permission of this CapCut, here is not given. Okay, scroll down, Chrome also not given. Check this, and here is media flare. Click the option and you can choose here never, and so you can turn off the background app permission very easily. Okay, this is the second number. The third number is uninstall unused apps. The third number is uninstall unused apps. Okay, press Windows plus R from the keyboard and type appwiz.cpl. okay, and if you do not, click OK, and then after you can find out the installed apps here like this. Okay, among of these apps, if you do not use some apps like this Maximum Cinema 3D or like this CapCut, like this Adobe Photoshop, okay, what you have to do is just right click and click on install. Okay, click on install and your processes will reduce. Now next is the fourth number is use task manager to end unnecessary processes. Okay, if there is running unnecessary processes in the task manager, you have to click the end task, Ctrl Shift Escape to open task manager, and here processes. And if you find out here something that you do not need, then right click and just end task. Okay, now 5 number is the disable services you don't need. Okay, if you do not need services like Xbox service, if you do not play the game, Print Explorer, if you do not have a printer, okay, Windows Search, if you use third-party tools like everything, then after you can disable the services. Okay, if you do not use games, then press Windows plus R to open the service tab, services.msc. okay, just type in the run dialog box and click OK, and services has been opened here. And if you don't use the Xbox feature like this Xbox Live Game Chef, you can disable. Okay, right click and click the properties, and here is the disable offline. Okay, if you do not play the game. Okay, disable offline, and you can disable this also. If you do not use printer, you can disable Print Explorer also like this. Okay, go to Print Explorer by pressing the P, go to properties, and you can disable like this. Okay guys, next is use battery saver or performance setting. Okay, go to search option and type here. Here is the edit power plan. Just click that and go here the power option, and here you have to choose the balance. Okay, you can change from here. Okay, if there is no balance, then after you can create your own power plan. Create our own power plan, and here you can choose power saver or balance. Okay, here I have already the balanced, so that it is recommended. Balance is recommended. Okay, now next is clean up scheduled task. Okay, press Windows R from the keyboard and type task CSCD. Okay, then after look under task scheduler library for auto starting software updates or maintaining tasks. Okay, click here. Then after disable on needed ones. Okay, if you do not need the auto starting software updates, then you can disable from here. Okay, suppose I do not need this OneDrive, right click and disable. Okay, hence you can disable the apps. Then after there is the use auto runs advanced tool by Microsoft. Okay, go to the Microsoft library store, Microsoft store here, click that. Then after download here, search for the auto runs auto. It is installing now. You can find out. Yes, it's installing. You can find out here the start of application. Here, very custom, and you have to uncheck unnecessary entries. Okay, from here you can uncheck like services. Then after schedule task like this. Okay guys, hence you can speed up your laptop and reduce the processes of your CPU in Windows 10 or 11 very easily. Guys, if you like my videos, then do follow, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, take care.